pork chops, some corn, some pasta salad, and some mashed potatoes. Excuse me. So let's dig in. How's your morning, noon, night, whatever it is at the time you're watching this? I hope you're having an awesome one. I hope everything's okay with y'all. Today's Sunday. Tomorrow's Monday. Time to go back to work. Oh, this is like our weekends ain't even long enough. I wish they were longer. A lot longer than what they are now. But, oh well. Gotta do what we gotta do, right? Gotta work. Gotta pay bills. I know I do. I mean, it's like a never-ending thing. Working, paying bills. So yeah, all day long I've been cleaning up this house. I haven't went anywhere. One part of that, me not going anywhere, is because my husband's at work and he has the car. So yeah. But I did rest up. I did rest up all weekend because nobody was here. It was just me. So I cleaned the house, relaxed all weekend, which is good. I mean, I don't go out, I don't party, I don't do stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, what else is there to do? Look how good that looks. Wow. I hate when it has a little part. See how good that looks? Whew. Little pieces from the pan. I usually like eating my pork chops with like a salad. Putting lettuce and tomato, and then pork chops on top of it. That is good. Like, awesome. I should do a thumbnail, huh? Wait. That was a funny one. My bad. My bad, my bad. But yeah. I'm probably gonna have to go to the store in a minute. When my husband gets home. I mean, one light went out, and then another light went out. And we're like, why is every light going out? So yeah, I'll go take care of that. Got my juice, tropical punch. Let me tell you, that is awesome juice. And if you don't feel like drinking Coke or anything, this is the best thing to drink. Believe me, it's the best thing. I'm supposed to go look into the gyms this week, so we see which one I want to register with. We've got two here in town. We have the YMCA, and then we have the I don't know what it's called. It's a fitness center. I'll go check that one out too. See what they do, you know, different things. If they have the same thing, if they have different things, or, you know, the prices of them. So I'm going to go check that out. I'm going to start doing that. I'll probably go one day after I get out of work and go check it out. Maybe a day when my husband has a day off. Either Monday or Tuesday or Friday. Those are his days off. So one of those days we'll go and check it out. Tried taking a nap today. Didn't happen. All day long I couldn't sleep. Every time I close my eyes. Stop it! Really? Every time I close my eyes, these little guys had to be barking, had to be crying. Sorry, guys. I remember I had turned my phone off and I forgot to turn it back on. So I had to turn it back on just in case. You never know. Might be an important phone call or something trying to come through and my phone's off. Hey! Really, Nugget? Should have seen the dog just now. Took off running to the door, slid, and hit his head. I'm sure y'all heard the bump. Dang dog. Nobody's getting nothing. So yeah, all day long today my dogs have been pain in the butts. Don't know why. Don't know why they're acting silly. Yes, I'm talking about you. He's just sitting over there just looking at me. He knows I'm talking about him. I put a card, scan one of those little SD cards in my phone, in my phone, and it's asking to set it up. Oh damn, it has a lot of pictures that I didn't even know it had on there. Okay, I'm gonna have to go look at you in a little while. No wonder it wouldn't work for my... I put it in my my cam and so I could record it right now, and it wouldn't let me, and I was like, why isn't it letting me? Now it shows me that I have a lot of pictures on it. Didn't even know. Anyways, yeah, I made this food. Didn't know what I was gonna make. I did take out the pork chops this morning, or earlier, so they could defrost them. I'm like, what am I gonna make? Do I want pork chops or no? because I wanted them with lettuce and tomato, but I didn't feel like going to walk to the store earlier. Just to keep my dogs quiet, I have to give them a piece. I swear these dogs are so spoiled. Spoiled to the max. So I'm hoping that this cold is already going away. Crossing my fingers. Hopefully it is going away because I'm tired of being sick. And I don't usually get sick. But the couple of days that it froze, or that was supposed to freeze, I go outside with my hair wet and I get sick. Don't mind my hair. It's just a mess today. I told you about the lady that cut it that one time. I haven't cut it since then. I'm trying to let it grow out before I do anything to it. I colored it black. Actually, that's not my real hair color. My hair's color is like a brown, dark brown. But I like doing black so it can just go to one shade, and then when it starts going out, the dark brown will start coming out. I was trying to get all the pink color out of my hair and everything. Okay, so like I have a lot of stories to tell. But you know, I don't know if y'all would want, if that's what y'all would like to hear, or if y'all just want me to eat, you know? There's certain times where I always have a story time to tell y'all, or I'll be rambling on and talk about different stuff. But I mean, y'all let me know. I mean, is it better for me just to eat and y'all watch me, or do y'all want me to talk and y'all watch me and listen to what I have to say? You know, let me know in the comments. There was another video that I wanted to do. That I was asked if I can do. But I don't know the exact time that I would do it. I was thinking this weekend, but it would be on like my favorite sweets, candy, and I don't eat candy or sweets or chocolate. I haven't ate anything like that in a long time, so you know, I don't know when I'm gonna do that, but I was asked to do my favorite sweets. guess I'm going to the store when I'm done. Well, when he gets here. I'd rather go to the store. How many of y'all like it? Like to go to the store at night rather than the day? Let me know in the comments. Because, like me, if I like during the week when I'm working and I get out of work and I go to the store and it's like 4:30, 5 o'clock, something like that. I go inside the store and that place is so packed. I mean, it's like you can't even move. The registers, it's like they're not even moving. They have to open more, registers because there's so many people waiting to get checked out. And they take forever to call people up there to check out other people. Because I went up there, I think it was Friday, Thursday or Friday. Excuse me. You know what? It was Friday. I went in there, got what I needed to get, got in line, and I was kind of in the middle, like on number 5 or 6. I don't even remember. Number 1, 2, 3, I believe, was the 15 items or less. All 3 of those lanes. Okay, they had there was people all in the lanes, right? That line went almost halfway down one of the aisles. Halfway going that way towards, the opposite way. And then actually the third lane was going down the same aisle as the second one. That's how many people were waiting in line. And then you look the other way, from where I was standing. I was in the middle. Oh, and the register next to us, I was on 5, I think. Number 4 was packed. It was already starting a line going down the aisle. Mine was starting a line too. And then you look down towards the other way, 6, 7, and 8 were packed. You can see people just standing, just keep on making a line more and more. And then finally, they open one register. Really? One register. For all them people. Are you serious? I'm like, come on. I mean, look at all these people. And you open one register. And it was one of the managers. I'm like, instead of you walking around, you can go open up a register and you can check out people. Oh no, that man's too good to help out. That's crazy. So yeah, I hate going during the day or the afternoon. I would rather go about 8 or 9 o'clock at night. In and out. That's it. That's how fast it will take me to go in there. In and out. I could go in there 8 or 9, get my stuff, and no problems. Just walk in and walk out. Mind you, I'll go through the self-checkout. Unless I have a lot of stuff. No, then I'll go to self-checkout. But, and another time I like going is early in the morning, 6 o'clock, 6:30. Completely dead. Nobody's in there. Nobody at all. So it's those are the only times that I'll go in there and get what I need to get. And that's at Walmart. H-E-B is a different story. H-E-B is the one that had the lines going to Kingdom Come and them not even helping. You know what I mean? They're like, come on, people, we need to get somewhere, you know? We come in here to get what we need to get and get out. Can't do that. We take their time, scan the little thing. Some of the people, they have to look at it, verify it. Who does that? Piece of bread, a loaf of bread. Scan it. They like toss it in their hand. And then they put it where it won't get smushed. The meat, they grab it like this. Or they turn it and scan it and put it on the other side. So slow. A couple of people there. Yeah, you Whiskers. I hear my cat. So yeah. I hate when they take forever to check somebody out. There was this one person, a new person. I'm not gonna say no names, or if it, or if it was a guy or a girl. I'm gonna say the person. Just started there. No, hello, welcome to, wherever I was at that day. Or how's your day going? Or did you find everything that you needed? Or anything like that, Didn't say nothing like that. I'm like, okay, this dude's new. Okay, I give him that. So I'm like, he's new. I'll give him that. So just let him go on with what he was doing. Finally, when it came to giving him the money, I gave him the money. And he was getting my change. Oh, shit. He was giving me my money. Gave it to me like this. Had the dollars in his hand. He had the change in the other hand. And I was like this, right? He kind of went like that and threw it at my hand. And I'm like, are you serious? My money, he had it in his hand. Didn't count it back. All the other people, they would count it back. He didn't count it back. He just had it like this, and he just went like that. All the dollars just fell open on my hand and on the little, how it has like a little place where you put your wallet and stuff. Fell right there. And I'm like, are you serious? Didn't say thank you. Or however they say it. Whenever you're leaving, thank you, have a nice day, or, thank you, and please come back, or whatever they say. The person never said nothing. But I did notice, what I did notice is when that person saw somebody that he knew or she knew, she, that person, whoever they knew, oh yeah, it was on. Hey, how you doing? Oh, is this all for you? What else do you need? Did you find everything you needed? Got the money. Gave the money to that person in their hand very gently. Thank you, come back, have a nice day. Blah, 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 all the stuff that they're supposed to say. Or maybe because I wasn't of the race. I don't know. I don't know what it was. I mean, it could have been anything. So I don't know. Look how yummy that looks. You want a bite? Yummy. Anyways, so yeah, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was just maybe because I was a girl, maybe because I wasn't a friend. It could have been any reason. And mind you, I won't go and say anything unless it was something that was bad. You know what I mean? Like, him making a comment or her making a comment, a rude comment, or saying something under their breath. You know, something like that. Because you never know what people can say, what people would say under their breath. So yeah. So I'm just like, okay, whatever. You know? Let me tell you, that pork chop was yummy. But yeah, it was just, maybe that person was having a bad day, or I don't know. Never know. Never know. I mean, you don't know what's going through somebody else's mind, you know. So, I can't say that it was me, or I can't say that he was having a bad day, or anything. I can't say that. Because I don't know. So, well, yeah. But oh well. But now, I see the person checking out, and I don't go to that lane. I go to a different lane. I don't go through somewhere where person's rude, or just because I'm not the friend, relative, or whoever it is, you know. Just because I'm not that person doesn't mean that they have to be rude to us, you know. And it wasn't just me. I've been there quite a bit of times after that happened to me, and people behind me, people in front of me, I listen. I can be in a different lane, and he can be, or she can be, like, right there, and I can hear her. So I don't know. I don't know what it is. Either way. I just don't go through that lane anymore. I make the bomb food. It was yummy. Alright guys, I'm done with my food. As you can see, I'm already full. So, I hope y'all have a good night. Oh, wait. I forgot to tell y'all something. Don't forget to like this video. Share it everywhere. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can know whenever I post my videos so you get notified for them. Comment. Let me know what y'all think. I even put my Instagram and Snapchat down in the description box, my email address. I do have a post office box in there if y'all wanted to know that too. But anyways, so yeah, I hope you're having a good night, good morning. Oh yeah, did I even say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Look at me, bloopers all right here. Excuse me. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyway, so I hope you're having a good night, good morning, good evening, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this. I hope you're having an awesome one. And until the next video, bye!